Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. Today's episode will be very short and simple. We will be making another candle holder using some Dollar Tree products and some mirror tiles from Amazon. For my subscribers, thank you so much for being true to this channel. You guys make it possible. And if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. As you guys continue to watch this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please take the time to subscribe now and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay guys, this is the end of our DIY. It came out very nice and simple. I am absolutely in love with this DIY. Please let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Ciao, ciao.